going to explain you about the definite article. In my previous video, I have already explained you about the articles, about indefinite articles. I have told you all the rules and regulations of a or an indefinite article, and right now I am explaining you about the definite article. When a singular noun represents a whole class, there we use the, like the camel is a beast of burden. So the camel यहाँ पर जो है रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है अपनी पूरी क्लास को कि ये जो है इज अ बीस्ट ऑफ बर्डन. सो वेयर द कैमल, द रोज स्मेल्स स्वीट, द रोज स्मेल्स स्वीट, द रोज जो है रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, दिस इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन, रोज इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन एंड कैमल इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन. रोज रिप्रेजेंट्स कर रहा है यहाँ पर अपनी पूरी क्लास को, अपने रोज के बारे में बता रहा है कि इट स्मेल्स स्वीट. But remember one thing, when a plural noun is used to talk about things in general, articles are usually omitted. Like when a plural noun is used to talk about things in general. For example, camel. The camel, it was a singular noun there, that is why we use there the camel. But right now camels. This is the plural noun, camels. So we omitted the from here. Camels are beasts of burden. Because camels here, this is a plural noun, so we cannot use any the over here. Man is mortal. Remember one more thing, that with man, with women, and with men and women, we cannot use they. Alright? Rule number 2. Use the to talk about particular person or things. Like the boy who fell from the roof is in the hospital. Like the boy, यहाँ पर जो है ये किसी particular boy की बात हो रही है कि वो लड़का जो who fell from the roof is in the hospital. जो गिरा था रूफ से वो अभी हॉस्पिटल. तो यहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर बॉय की बात हो रही है. द गर्ल यू टॉक टू जस्ट नाउ इज अ डॉक्टर. यहाँ पे किसी पर्टिकुलर गर्ल की बात हुई. द स्टोरी दैट ही टोल्ड अस यस्टरडे वाज इंटरेस्टिंग. मीन्स वो स्टोरी जो आपने कल सुनाई थी दैट वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो मीन्स किसी पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी की बात हो रही है, वो स्टोरी जो आपने कल सुनाई थी. सो इट मीन्स यहाँ पर ये पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी बन गई है, इसीलिए वी यूज, दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज हियर. When there is only one of something or unique things, like the sun, the moon, the earth, the capital, the sky, the sea, the ocean, the ground, the country, the environment. So with all of them we will be using the, because these all are very unique things and these are only one. Everybody knows that the sun rises in the east. The sun, we use the sun. Why? Because sun is a unique thing, then it is only one. Clouds drifted across the sky. Clouds drifted across the sky. The sky, because this is the only one. You can go anywhere in the world. The world is this is a unique thing. So the world. The is used to talk about person or things mentioned for the second time. Sometimes it happens like the car hit a tree. The car hit a tree. Here we didn't use the tree, but again when the same sentence is being used again, like the car hit a tree, the tree fell down. The tree fell down. यहाँ पर हमने दोबारा tree के साथ the use किया, because when it is used in a second time, when the sentence is used in a second time, then we use the. I wrote a poem. Okay, I wrote a poem. The poem was in English. So दोबारा हमने इस sentence को again we used here. So we use the poem. With some words referring to nature or the environment generally. The industry, word, the Pacific Ocean, the weather, the beach, the seaside. With all of them we use the. We are going to take a trip to the mountains. My son enjoys spending time in the countryside. Both of them we will be using the with mountains and with the countryside. Okay. In sometimes expressions like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, the day before yesterday, the day after tomorrow, the summer, the winter, the spring, the fall, the past, the present, the 18th century. With all of them, with all the expressions we use the. I get up early in the morning. The morning. My cousin got married the day before yesterday. I love the winter. This house was built by my grandfather in the 60s. In the 60s. Next rule is the is used before superlative degrees. Before superlative adjectives, like the largest and the most beautiful. This is the superlative degree. As we have already learned in our adjective topic about the degrees of adjectives, so this is the superlative degree, like you are the tallest person in our class. The tallest person. He is the best teacher I have ever had. The best teacher. So with superlative degrees we use the. The next rule is the is used with double comparatives. Like we have already learned the comparative degree, and as well as we have learned about the superlative degrees too in our adjectives topic, in our adjective lecture, right? So the higher you go, the cooler it is. जब ये sentences, when we use the same sentence two times, like the higher you go, the cooler it is. The more you talk, the less you understand. So यहाँ पर comparative degrees यहाँ पे दो clauses में use हो रही हैं. That is why we use the with both of these sentences. क्योंकि यहाँ पे two clauses हैं. And the is used with the musical instruments. Like he played the violin, he is learning the guitar. So we can use the with musical instruments too. The is used before a noun made definite by the addition of a phrase or clause. Before a noun made definite by the addition. मतलब जब हमें noun को बहुत definite बनाना होगा, then we use the. The boy with dark glasses means वो boy जो dark glasses इसने पहने हुए थे. मतलब हमें यहाँ पे उसकी कोई specific चीज़ों को हम उसकी define कर रहे हैं उस boy की. So that is why we use here the. The man with that beard. वो आदमी उस with that beard, उस दाढ़ी के साथ. The girl that I met, वो लड़की जिससे मैं मिली थी. The place where I worked, वो place where I, जहाँ मैंने काम किया. The girl in red, वो लड़की red कलर में जो लड़की है. मीन्स यहाँ पे हम इन लोगों की स्पेसिफाई कर रहे हैं, इनको डिफाइन कर रहे हैं इनकी चीज़ों के साथ. सो दैट इज वाई वी यूज हियर द. द इज यूज विद ऑर्डिनल्स व्हेन दे आर यूज एज एडजेक्टिव्स टू डिस्क्राइब नाउन. Like the first, the last, the next, the previous, the same, the only. When is the next presidential election? Hurry up or you are going to miss the last bus. Is it important to friend to have the same interest? Now let's see. She came first in the race. So यहाँ पर हमने जो है यहाँ पे हमने जो 3 sentences थे, यहाँ पर हमने जो एडजेक्टिव्स के साथ हमने यूज़ किए. लाइक एज एडजेक्टिव्स हमने यहाँ पर यूज़ किए. शी केम फर्स्ट इन द रेस. सो यहाँ पर भी जो ऑर्डिनल नंबर है फर्स्ट, बट वी डिडंट यूज हियर द. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट बीइंग यूज विद द नाउन. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट के बाद नाउन कोई नहीं है. आई हैव ओनली 4 cookies left. I have only 4 cookies left. After only we haven't here any noun. After only we haven't here noun. So that is why we didn't use the. After noun, like the is used with ordinal when they are used as adjectives to describe noun. जब यहाँ पे ये noun को जब describe कर रहा होता है और as a adjective use कर रहा होता है, then there we use the. But when there is no adjective, but when it is not used as adjective and when it does not define a noun, so we cannot use the with them. Alright? The next rule is with the name of scientific inventions. Like the digital camera, the internet, the telephone, the bicycle. Means with all the scientific inventions we can use the. The telephone was invented by the Alexander Graham Bell. So remember this thing that with all of these inventions we can use the. Hopefully you must have cleared this topic. I have cleared about the definite article and as well as the indefinite article. And right now in my next video I will explain you the omission of article, that where we cannot use, where we omit the articles. Okay, in my next video I will let you know about that. In the comment sections you can let me know how many you got understand. If you are not sure about any of these, feel free to ask me in the comments and I will help you out. Alright, if you like this lesson, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And also remember to subscribe this channel by clicking the subscribe button to get my latest lesson right here on YouTube. So happy learning and I will see you in the next video soon. Thank you so much. Take care.